Monday on Home and Family. Shirley is showing us how to sow and grow wildflowers. And Pulitzer Prize winner Dave Barry is sharing the simple joys of an old happy dog. Welcome back, everyone. Now, Maria says when it comes to Easter baskets, either go big or go home.
Woo!
Like today, she has a DIY that will help you get all the eggs out there in the yard, right, Maria?
Because all of the eggs have all of the candy.
That's exactly right.
I have to tell you, my son Grant and I have something, well, lots of things in common, but one in particular. We happen to love Easter candy. I don't know what it is about Easter candy that makes it so much better this time of year, but he loves it, and we go for all the, and I do mean we go for all the eggs.
I think it's like Halloween, but it's got more meaning and pastel colors.
That's why I like it.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, let's get started. I see these beautiful silk flowers.
Oh, yes.
Let's start with the floral baskets.
Okay, so these are really easy. So if you want a very quick and beautiful basket and DIY to do this spring, this is where to go. So you start, so you can see here, you have a couple different design options. This beautiful one that's like full of the flowers along the bottom, or you could do one that has them all around the top part. Both are beautiful. I actually think that they could be great for a wedding for a flower girl as well.
Oh, that's true.
And Cameron, it's as simple as getting some silk flowers from the craft supply store and using a hot glue gun to put them on. The aesthetics are up to you. So really the DIY part is kind of figuring out like, oh, I want them to be full all along the bottom, or I want them to be all along the top. So that's really the design choice is up to you.
I love it. So this one, for instance, you have it kind of coming up the handle a little bit.
Yep.
And in the other design, you've got it more covering the actual basket part.
Yep. And that's all you do is continue to go with that, and that's all you need.
All right. And then, of course, we've got our floral baskets done. Every Easter bunny needs its carrots.
Oh,
right?
yes.
That's what I'm saying.
So this is a garden party. I love this for Easter, but I also love this for almost any kind of garden party you would throw in the spring. And this is as simple as it is. These are just styrofoam cones. You get these obviously at the craft supply store, or you can get them online. So what I started with was my basket. So I found the basket that I really liked and got the cone that's sort of according to size. But you can cut these down. So you can see, you cut it down in half like this. You cut it off, and I actually cut it down to size, so it would fit like this. So once you figure out your sizing, this is how you decorate it. So you can see I got this started already. This is just a burlap or a twine that is orange, and so you grab your glue gun, and you want it to be on its low setting because you're using styrofoam. So you want to do that, and all you do is just go like this. And to be honest, And all you do is not break your cone. You do this, and all you do is wrap it, and you continue to wrap, Cameron. And I'll just set this aside.
I bet you wrapping it will actually give it a little bit of strength here. I'm going to see if I can get to keep this guy together here.
Yes, there you go. And if that did happen, you could just glue it back together. But this is what it looks like after you wrap the whole thing with the twine. And so this is what I did at the top. So I actually just used some of the twine and wrapped it around like that. And this is just from the craft supply store. This looks like grass, but it's just these little things that you can do.
That's the detail for the top of the carrot.
Pop it through, and that's it. And you could really just decorate this as much as you like. I have some other little decorations on here, and you just glue them on with the hot glue gun like this, and you're good to go.
So your carrots are done, and then do you actually put them on the basket?
You do. You just use the hot glue gun. After all this sets, and you have your carrot, and I would add a little bit more to give it some body, but that's all you keep doing, and you use the hot glue gun to secure it.
Put on a few Hallmark movies. It might take a minute.
It might take you a few minutes to do the wrapping, but it's easy.
I love that one. I'm going to move this guy over here. We got to fix that carrot in a minute. Okay, so now this is pretty impressive. This is using like a laundry basket, everyday laundry basket, transforming it into the biggest Easter basket you'll ever see.
Yeah, so I was inspired by Orly for this one because she recently made a 3D rainbow tapestry you can see here. And you can see that the rainbow is made from pipe insulation, which is so amazing. And so she inspired this DIY because I wanted to make the biggest basket that I possibly could. So I took this laundry basket, and all you really do is spray paint it, and you spray paint the pipe insulation as well, and that is all you do to create your sort of basket.
Beautiful.
I did a little bit of a basket weave type of look with just some ribbon in and out.
Like and how do you attach the little the piping?
Cameron, one of your favorite supplies?
I don't know why I got a thing for zip ties. I got like a box of 17,000 of them at home, so I'll take care of the zip tie just like this.
Yes, and so all you do is use a zip tie. That's going to secure it, and you have your basket. So this is what, honestly, this makes a great decoration in your home for Easter, or you take it and literally get all of the all of the eggs at the Easter egg hunt, like Grant and I do.
You show up with this basket, everybody. Everybody's going to be pretty intimidated. I'm just saying. I like it.
I like it. This one's mine.
It's actually bigger than Maria, everybody. Yes. For full instructions, head over to hallmarkchannel.com, and you can connect with Maria at FromScratchWithMaria.com as well. Yeah. Great job. Okay, coming up next, the latest fad, spring plaid. Come on back.
Ooh. So I'm gonna put those